Good morning, students of 8th class. Our first chapter, rational and irrational number of maths, we start here. Today is our third lecture on it. Rational and irrational numbers, which we call Parimey and Aparimey numbers. Now, today's our practice set is 1.3. In 1.3, we have studied the decimal representation of rational number. Rational number means परिमेय number, परिमेय संख्यांचे दशांश रूप हा भाग आपण आपल्या आजच्या प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.3 मध्ये बघणार आहोत. बघा, रॅशनल नंबर मी तुम्हाला सांगितले काय आहे तर m/n ज्यात डिनॉमिनेटर n असताना तो शून्येतर संख्या असते, शून्य सोडून इतर संख्या असते, अशा अपूर्णांकाला आपण परिमेय संख्या रॅशनल नंबर असे म्हणतो. आणि त्याचं डेसिमल फॉर्म दशांश रिप्रेझेंटेशन कसं करायचं हे आपण आपल्या प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.3 मधून शिकणार आहोत. बघा, प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.3 या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला दिसतोय. राईट द फॉलोइंग रॅशनल नंबर इन डेसिमल फॉर्म. आपल्याला ह्या परिमेय संख्याचं दशांश अपूर्णांकामध्ये दशांश रूपामध्ये त्या ठिकाणी प्रेझेंटेशन करायचं. पहिली आहे 9/37 ही एक रॅशनल नंबर आहे. असे टोटल तुम्हाला 5 रॅशनल नंबर या ठिकाणी दिलेले आहे. आपण सरावासाठी या ठिकाणी 2 ते 3 उदाहरणं सोडवणार आहे आणि राहिलेले होमवर्क म्हणून तुम्ही सराव करणार आहात. तर पहिला उदाहरण आपण द फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज 9/37. Here numerator is a 9 and denominator is a 37. We have to divide the numerator by denominator. Numerator is a 1 rank number and it is the 2 place number 37. So to dividing 9 by 37 you have to write 10 in front of the 9. But here we cannot change our question. So when we write 10 further of 9, you have to give the point in your answer. Then we start the table of 37. Here I write the table of 37 up to 5. 37, 1 is 37, 2 is 74, 3 is 111, 4 is 148 and 5 is 185. Here 90. So 37 into 2. First 37 into 2 is a 74. 74 can be divided into 90. Here is a 6, 8 to 7, 1. Then again 37 can't divide the 16. So here write 10 in front of it. 160. Again see the table of 37. 37, 174, 111, 148 and 185. So we can divide 37 into 4. So write the number 4. 37 into 4 is a 148. 148. Here is a division and remain 12. Further again take 10 and divide 37, 120. So here 3 number 111. After that there is a 148. So from 120 148 can't divide. Subtract. So write here 3. 37 3s are 111. Here again there is a 9. 120 minus 111 is a 9. So see here remainder is a 9 and we start from the 9. Means again when we take it further 0, the same answer will continue. Again 37 into 2. 37 into 2. Here again 74 minus 16 further 0 The remainder is not come 0. This division doesn't end. So these types of rational number whose presentation after dividing, the presentation of decimal form is non-terminating. It doesn't have the end, so it is called as a non-terminating. And the number of this 243, the group of this number is come again and again. Continuously when we divide this process, it doesn't have any end. So this types of division is called as non-terminating division, which we also called as non-terminating decimal form. And this group of number 243, again 243, 243 comes again and again. So this number is called as recurring number, ज्याला आपण आवर्त नंबर असं म्हणतो. आवर्त म्हणजे काय, तर राहून राहून पुन्हा पुन्हा येणारं. जसं आज गुरुवार आहे, पुढच्या आठवड्यात परत गुरुवार येणार आहे. चालू महिना कोणता आहे, जून आहे, पुढच्या वर्षात परत जून येणार आहे. म्हणजे ज्या गोष्टी राहून राहून परत परत होतात त्याला आपण आवर्ती असे म्हणतो, विच वी कॉल्ड रिकरिंग. अँड सो वी राईट द बार. बार मीन्स व्हॉट, दिस टाइप ऑफ one line draw on this group of number. What it indicates that this number of group come again and again. So here we call take such type of bar. So this type of the decimal form is a non-terminating recurring form of rational number. Here second example is of 19/14. You have to divide 9 by 14. So your example second is 9/40. You have to divide numerator 9 by 14. I write the table of 14 here. 14 ones are 14, 28, 3s are 42, 4s are 56, 5s are 70, 6s are 84, 7s are 98, 112, 126 and 140. Again the numerator is small, so write 10 here and give decimal point here. Now divide 90 by 14. In 14 table up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 place, here is 84 and after 7 place there is 98. So 98 can't subtract from 90. So take the 6th place, that is 14 6s are 84. 14 6s are 84. Here the subtraction is 6. Again write 0 here. Read the table of 14. 14 ones are 40, 2s are 28, 3s are 42, 4s are 56, 5s are 70. 5s are 70 is more than 60. So here we have to take 4th place, that is 14 4s are 56. Right here in answer 4, 14 4s are 56. Here the subtraction is 4. Again write 0 here. Now 14 2s are 28 because third number is 42 and it is more than 40. So 14 2s are 28. Here the subtraction is a 12. Again write 10 further. Then up to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 number. 14 8s are 112. This is the further number. 14 8s are 112. And the subtraction is 8. Again write 10 here. 80 number. 14 1s are 40, 14 2s are 24, 3s are 42, 56, 70. Up to 5th. 14 5s are 70. 14 5s are 70. Here remainder 0. again write 0. 14 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 14 sevens are 98. 14 sevens are 98. The remainder is 2. Again take 0. 14 ones are 14. Here remainder is a 6. Further write 0. The decimal form of 9 upon 14 rational number is 0.6428571, and it is the non-terminating recurring number. Here you see the remainder is a 4, and again the division can be continued. And this group of number, that is 6428571, this group of number is come again and again. So here I give one bar on that group of number. It indicates that this group of number come again and again. Now further example is minus 11.13. Fifth number question of practice set 1.3. Here the decimal number is given. You have to write it decimal form by division method. But this rational number is a minus. First you take only the number, that is 11 upon 13. 11 upon 13. This is, I take further 0 and write the decimal form. When division is performed, here in the middle of this division 6 number come. Again second stage start from 6. Look at here. There is the 6 number. This stage continue again from here 6. So up to that division our answer comes is 0.8461538. Means what it indicates, that this group of number, look at here 8 and again 8 is come. Further this number come again and again and it will continue. Means this division it doesn't have any end, so it is the non-terminating number, and so this group of number come again and again, means it is the recurring number. So these types of division of this rational number is called as non-terminating recurring decimal form. Write down the answer here. The answer of this decimal form in the minus 11 upon 13 is equal to minus 0.846153. You write here answer minus 0.846153, and you write the bar on that number as it is a recurring non-decimal number, and the question is minus rational, so the answer gives minus sign. So in this way today's lecture we see our practice set 1.3, that is write the following rational number in decimal form, and we have solved among the 5 questions, 3 questions were solved here, and you have to solve the questions, remaining questions, and do the practice. Make questions of yourself and do the practice. So solve the practice set 1.3, which indicate the division of rational number in decimal form, and today we see the terminating non-decimal recurring number, non-terminating recurring number and terminating number. Do the homework. We will meet again.